Okay, right. The today topic is that is the adjoint and the inverse of a matrix now. Okay. The first one, the adjoint of matrix is nothing but what the adjoint of a square matrix A is equals to the element Aij order n into n is defined as the transpose of the matrix, that is capital Aij. Capital Aij meaning cofactor matrix where Aij is the cofactor of that is a small aij, meaning that is element now, right? It is denoted by the symbol that is adjoint of A now, right? Take one example here, like that is example is equals to what or maybe in general form. Now the matrix A is equals to A11, A12, A13, next A21, next A22, A23, next A31, next A32, next A33 is what the given matrix now. What is the adjoint of the given matrix now, right? Take the adjoint of matrix A is nothing but what here. First we have to find out that is ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ cofactors ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, right? First find out the cofactors of the all the elements now. That is the small a11 becomes what capital A11, right? A11 cofactor, that is A12, that is A13 now, right? Next A21 cofactor, A22, and this A23, next A31, next A32, next A33. Now it is the given matrix, but this one is what adjoint cofactor matrix, right? This is cofactor matrix, right? Take the adjoint of A is nothing but what here transpose of a cofactors of the matrix is said to be a adjoint of matrix now, right? ಅದೊಂದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಆ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್? Now the first row becomes what here? First column, right? A11, next A12, next A13. First row becomes a first column. Same as it is A21, next A22, next A23. Now for second row becomes a second column, right? Same as it is the third row becomes A31, that is A32, next A33. The third row becomes a third column now, right? Now this one is said what here adjoint of the matrix now, right? Simple. What is the adjoint of matrix? The transpose of cofactors of the matrix is said to be what adjoint of a matrix now, right? Idena ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 rows 3 column transpose of matrix method now, right? Next one go for what take the 2 rows 2 column adjoint matrix. Okay, take a note, add a note. Right, take note. Let A is equals to 1 1, 1 2, 2 1 and 2 2 are the given order 2 matrix for the square matrix of the order 2 now, right? Then what is the adjoint? They are told interchange these two diagonals now, right? Interchange 1 1 and 2 2 elements, and another they are told change the sign of the element 1 2 and 2 1 now. Then adjoint becomes what like that? That is interchange 1 1 2 2, interchange it becomes A22 and A11 now, right? Change the sign meaning suppose it is a plus A12 meaning we have to take minus A12. Suppose if it is this one is only minus A12, then we have to take plus A12 now, right? Change the sign meaning we have to take opposite value, right? If they are given positive meaning then take negative, negative meaning positive, right? Okay, take up one example now. Okay, example, let the matrix A is equals to let the matrix A is equals to 2 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 now, right? Let the matrix A is equals to 2 3 1 4. Then what is its adjoint? We have to find out the what adjoint for the given question now. Okay, see here, let A is equals to 2 3 1 4 is the given matrix. We know that already the adjoint of the matrix meaning transpose of cofactor of the matrix is said to be a ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ನೀವು ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಯರ್ a11 positive or negative positive kata that is a plus 1 delete first row first column what happens here 4 right next a11 is over take a12 now a12 delete first row second column then answer is 1 which one here okay a12 is a minus okay delete first row second column then answer is what here minus 1 right next one take up this a21 now a21 meaning delete second row first column then a21 is positive or negative negative take minus and the remaining element is 3 now that is minus 3 right same as it is a22 delete second row second column then a22 is positive now right delete second row second column and the remaining element is 2 now right these are said to be what here cofactors now right write down the cofactor matrix that is matrix A is equals to that is adjoint of A is equals to now adjoint of A is equals to 2 okay A11 element adjoint of 4 A12 that is minus 1 cofactor now A21 cofactor minus 3 A22 cofactor that is 2 now right what is the meaning of adjoint of matrix transpose of cofactors of the matrix is said to be a adjoint correct now take it as a transpose now adu t antondre right then adjoint of A is equals to okay first row becomes first column and the second row becomes second column right this is the what adjoint of the matrix now right or another form we have to take now or in short that is the matrix A is equals to 2 3 1 4 2 3 1 4 then adjoint of A is equals to now right adjoint of A is equals to what order 3 rows 3 column ಲೆಂದಿ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ ಬಟ್ 2 rows 2 column ಏನಾಗ್ತದ ಜಲ್ದಿನ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು right they are told interchange the 1 1 and 2 2 elements ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ 2 4 ಅದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 4 2 ಆಯ್ತು ರೈಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಒಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಚೇಂಜ್ ದ ಸೈನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿಯರ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಯರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 3 ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಅಲ್ಲ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ನಾವು ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ನಾವು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಟು ಬಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ right theoretically ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕು or maybe write down directly interchange the diagonals 1 1 and 2 elements and apply the again sign for the what a12 and a21 elements now right okay right right take up the next theorem if A be a given square matrix of the order n then A into adjoint of A matrix is equals to adjoint of A into A matrix is equals to what here that is determinant of A into I where I is the identity matrix of the order n now right consider here take the order of the matrix A is equals to 3 rows 3 column matrix that is 3 order 3 now right what is it sir adjoint now adjoint of A is equals to or maybe take cofactors now first one A is equals to cofactors are what here capital A11 kata next A12 next A13 next A21 A22 next A23 next A31 next A32 next A33 now it is a which matrix here cofactor matrix right first we have to take here after the cofactors we have to find out adjoint now ನನಗೆ ಏನು ನೀಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ A matrix ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ adjoint ಮಾಡಬೇಕು right take up this one is what here cofactor matrix right now go for adjoint here adjoint of A is nothing but what here adjoint of A is nothing but what transpose of cofactors of the matrix right now the first row becomes what here first column A11 A12 next A13 next A21, next A22, next A23, next A31, next A32, next A33 now, A33. Right? Now adjoint of A matrix is over. Take the first point up, that is A into adjoint of A now. Right? Take up A into adjoint of A now. That A meaning the given matrix, that is A11 element, A12, A13, next A21, next A22, next A23, next A31, A32, A33, okay, into adjoint of A meaning this one there, that is A11, next A21, A31, next A12, A22, A32, next A13, A23, next A33 now. Right? Take up A into, that is adjoint of A is equal to now. Right? Multiply these two matrix. Right? Take here first row, first column. Okay, first row, first column. And direct here again. Think one. A11 element cofactor. A12 element its cofactor. A13 element its cofactor. ಏನು ಬಂತು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬಂತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ A11 A21 the elements and cofactors are different, take this are 0, right? Same first row third column, it is also what here 0 now, right? Take up second row first column A21 cofactor A11, A22 cofactor 12, so different, take this are 0 again, right? Next one the see here element A21 cofactor A21, element 22 cofactor 22, element 23 cofactor 23, then it is said to be a determinant, right? And again the last one is also 0, 21 31 different data. Next third row first column, this one is again 0, right? Second one is also 0 now. Take up third row third column 31 31 32 33 32 32 33 33, meaning the element and same cofactors here, right? Now this set what here determinant, right? Take this equation number 1. Okay, same as it is second result is what is adjoint of A into A now, adjoint of A into A meaning first ಇವಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತು ಏನು ಬಂತು ಇವಾಗ ಅದು ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಂತು ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಏನಾಯ್ತು cofactor element again, that is same result only, that similarly adjoint of A into A is equals to determinant of A 0 0 0, determinant of A 0 0 0, determinant of A now, right? The last one is determinant of A into I, take it as determinant of A into I is equals to determinant of A as it is I meaning identity matrix, identity matrix. Now what is the result here? The result determinant of A into 1, determinant of A only 0 0 0, determinant of A 0 0 0, determinant of A now, right? So therefore the adjoint of A or maybe, right, adjoint of A into A or maybe A into adjoint of A, the result is what? Determinant of A into I now. Okay, right now. Right. Take up the next bit is a singular matrix. Define singular matrix meaning a square matrix A is said to be a singular matrix if determinant A is equals to what? 0. Right. Another one is a non-singular matrix. Right. A square matrix is said to be a non-singular matrix if determinant A is not equals to 0. Right. Simple matter. That is determinant 0 ಬಂದದ್ದು singular, determinant non-zero ಬಂದದ್ದು non-singular matrix. Right. Take up example here. Example. Right. The matrix A is equals to, okay, 2 3s are 6 right? Next take this 6 one. Okay, now this one is set got here Which matrix? Singular matrix. Right. Now take its determinant here. Determinant of A is equals to, right, 2 into 3 at a minus 6 into 1 now. Then determinant of A is equals to 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Then determinant of A is equals to what here? Right. Now the given matrix is a singular matrix. Singular matrix अंगर ये बोलते हैं तो you have to same value go to value same value. Right. Same as it is. The second one is non-singular matrix, meaning the determinant is not equals to 0. That is said to be what? Non-singular matrix. Right. Example बरी अंदर value 0 आना बरी बस कष्ट नहीं 2 5 okay 2 4 right. Then what is this determinant now? 2 into 5 minus 2 into 4, right? 2 5s are 10 minus 2 4s are 8. 10 minus 8 are 2 now. Right? So therefore here determinant value is not equals to 0. So therefore it is said to be which matrix? Non-singular matrix. Here the determinant is equals to 0. So therefore the given matrix is a singular matrix. Okay. Right. Okay. Take up the note. The first point is determinant of adjoint of A is equals to, that is determinant of A power, that is n minus 1 now. Right. Remember these 2 points are, that is determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A power, that is n minus 1. N meaning the order of the matrix. Suppose they are given 2 rows 2 column, meaning take this 2 minus 1, 3 rows 3 column, meaning I have to take the 3 minus 1 now. Right. The second one is inverse formula here, that is A inverse is equals to 1 divided by determinant of A into, that is the adjoint of A now. Right. This question sir ಜಾಸ್ತಿ MCQs ನಲ್ಲಿ help ಆಗ್ತದ. So remember the first point, that is determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A power, that is n minus 1 now. Right. Take up next one sir, example. Right. Take up, that is example number 1. If A is equals to 1 3 3 and 1 4 3 and the third row is 1 3 4, then verify that A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I, and also second question also find the A inverse of the other. Okay. Right. Take up solution now. Right. What is the matrix here? Write down again. The matrix A is equals to 1 3 3 first row, 1 4 3 second row, 1 3 4. There is a third row now. Right. Okay. What is the LHS here? A is given matrix. Now to find out what here? Adjoint of the matrix A now. Okay. Adjoint of A. Right. Adjoint of A meaning the transpose of cofactors of matrix is said to got here. Adjoint of matrix now. Right. First we have to find out what all the cofactors for the given matrix here. Right. We know that take it is a A11. Right. Write down here. Cofactors are. Cofactors are. Right. Then A11. A11 is plus 1 or minus 1? Plus 1. Plus 1 like again ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬಡ್ರಿ ಅದು ಬರಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು minus 1 ಅಂತ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು. Right. Delete first row, first column, then 4 3 3 4 now. Right. Simplify this one. 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9. 16 minus 9 are 7. Right. A11 element cofactor is what here? 7. Right. Same as it is take this A12 now. A12 plus 1 or minus 1 now? Minus 1. Minus 1 delete which row, which column? First row, second column. Then elements are 1 3 1 4 is equals to, keep this one minus as it is outside here. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3 now. Right. Okay. This equals to minus as it is 4 minus 3. That is what? Which one here? Minus 1. Right. Next one the A13 now. A13 is positive or negative? Positive. Data. Then first row, third column. Then elements are 1 4 1 3 now. Simplify this one. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 4s are 4. 3 minus 4 minus 1 now. Right. Next one the take up again the remaining cofactors, that is A21. 1. A21 now. A21 is positive or negative? Negative. Minus. Delete second row, first column. Second row, first column. Then elements are 3, 4. Right, is equals to minus, keep as it is. 3 4s are 12 minus 3 3s are 9. Right, is equals to minus 12 minus 9. 3 is 3. It is minus 3 now. Right, same as it is A22 now. A22 is positive. That delete second row, second column. Then elements are 1 3 1 3 1 4. Right. Simplify this one. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. Answer is what here? 1 now. Right. You continuously ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೀಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ಬರೋಣ. Right. Next one, the take is A23 now. A23 is negative. Delete second row, third column. Second row, third column. Then elements are 1 3 1 3 is equals to minus as it is. Okay. 1 3s are 3 minus 1 3s are 3 is equals to what here? 0 now. 0. Right. Even point ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಲ್ ಅದ. Or maybe the properties of a determinant. If the two rows and the two columns are identical, then the determinant is what here? 0. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ರೋ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದ 0 ಬರ್ತದ. ಎರಡು ರೋ ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತದ 0 ಬರ್ತದ. ರೈಟ್, ಸೇಮ್ as it is, take it is A31 now. A31 is positive or negative? Positive. Delete third row, first column. Elements 3 3 4 3 now. Kata 3 3s are 9 minus 4 3s are 12. 9 minus 12 minus 3 now. Right. Next A32 now. A32 is positive or negative? Negative. Delete third row, second column. Third row, second column. Then elements are 1 3 now. Right. Again, two rows and two columns are same here. Then determinant 0. Doubt ಇಲ್ಲ. Minus into 1 3s are 3 minus 1 3s are 3 minus 3 right. Next up, the last one, the element that is A33 now. Cofactor, that is A33 is equals to A33 positive or negative? Positive. Delete third row, third column. Then tell me elements 1 3 1 4. Right. Then simplify it. 1 4s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3. Then answer becomes what here? 1 now. Right. Take it is a adjoint of A now. Adjoint of A meaning the transpose of cofactors of the matrix. Right? Okay. Adjoint of A is equals to write down all the cofactors here. A11 sum. A12 minus 1. A13 minus 1. A21 minus 3. A22 1. A23 0. A31 minus 3. A32 0. A33 1 now. Right. Now this which matrix here? Cofactor matrix. Take this transpose now. Right. Then adjoint of A is equals to, okay, first row becomes first column. 7 minus 1 minus 1. Next minus 3 1 0 and minus 3 0 1 now. Right. Now it is a adjoint of matrix. Right. They are told what is A into adjoint of A. Now ಏನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ? ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೊತ್ತ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. Okay, take up here again. The next part is what here? That is A into adjoint of A now. Take up A matrix and it's the adjoint of the matrix here. Right? Multiply these two matrices. What is the answer now? Okay. Take it is a 3 rows 3 column 3 rows 3 column matrix. Kata first row first column multiply here. Right? Plus into plus plus 1 7 7. Plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3. Plus into minus minus 3 1s are 3. Kata first row second column plus into minus minus. Right? 1 3s are 3. Okay. Next one plus into plus plus 3 1s are 3. 3 into 0 0. And take here. Okay. Or maybe take this 0 now. Right? Next one, the first row third column plus into minus minus 1 3s are 3. right? Plus into plus, plus 3 zeros are 0, plus into plus, plus 3 ones are 3 now, right? 3 ones are 3. Okay, take up next one, the second row, first column. 1 sevens are 7. Okay, plus into minus, minus 1 fours are 4, plus into minus, minus 1 3 ones are 3, right? Next one, second row, second column. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 1 fours are 4. Okay, next 3 zeros are 0. Next, the second row, third column. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 4 into 0, 0. 1 3 ones are 3. Right? Third row, first column now. Third row, first column. 1 sevens are 7. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 1 into minus 4, minus 4. Third row, second column. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. 3 into 1, 3. Okay, 4 zeros are 0. Third row, third column. 1 into minus 3, minus 3. Okay, 3 zeros are 0. Next up, 4 ones are, that is a 4 now. Then A into adjoint of A is equals to, now what is the answer here? Simplify this one, right? Okay, 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 are 1. Okay. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancel. 0 here. Here plus 3 minus 3 get cancel. 0 now. Next, here 7 as it is. Minus 4 minus 3 minus 7. 7 minus 7 0 now. Okay. Minus 3 plus 4. 4 minus 3 it is 1 now. Right. Minus 3 plus 3 get cancel. Again 0 here. Right. 7 as it is. Minus 3 minus 4 minus 7. 7 minus 7 0. Plus 3 minus 3 get cancel. 0. 4 minus 3 that is 1. Okay, no doubt the adjoint of A is equals to, right, adjoint of A is equals to what here? Which matrix here? Identity matrix. Okay, right. Take up the RHS is that is RHS is equals to, RHS is what? Determinant of A into I. Take this equation number 1 now, right? Determinant of A into I. Okay, what is the meaning of determinant of A into I? The determinant value is multiplying with the identity matrix. Okay? Now find out the what is the determinant of A now. It is the determinant value. Here. First row, first column delete. Then what is the element there? 4 3 3 4. Cut 4 3 3 4. Right? 4 3 3 4. Now delete. First A12 element. A12 element is what here? Minus 3 now. Right? Delete first row, second column. 1 3 1 4. That is 1 3 1 4 now. Right? A13 element plus 3 now. Delete, take this plus 3. Delete first row, third column. Then elements are 1 4 1 3 now. 1 4 1 3. Then determinant of A is equals to 1 into, simplify this one. 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9 minus 3 into 1 4s are 4 minus 1 3s are 3 plus 3 into 1 3s are 3 minus 1 4s are 4 now. Then determinant of A is equals to 1 into 16 minus 9 7 minus 3 into 4 minus 3 1 plus 3 into 3 minus 4 minus 1. Then determinant of A is equals to 1 7 7 minus 3 ones are 3 plus into minus 3 ones are 3 again. Determinant of A is equals to 7 minus 3 minus 3 minus 6. So therefore determinant of A is equals to what here? 1 now. Right? Take up RHS part is what here? That is RHS is the determinant of A into I. What is the determinant here? 1. 1 into what? I meaning identity here. Right? Identity. See now, 1 into identity matrix again now. Which matrix here? Identity matrix only. Identity matrix now. Take this equation number 2 now. No doubt. LHS equals to what here? RHS. So therefore from 1 and 2, right? LHS is equals to what here? RHS now. Right? Identity is 0 now. Okay. Right. Okay, take up next example number, that is 2 now. If A is equals to 2 3 1 4, is a given matrix, then find out its A inverse and B inverse and again that is A inverse. They are given totally 3 questions now, right? So practice ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾನೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹಾಕಿನಿ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ, right? That is we know that A is equals to what here? A is equals to 2 3 1 minus 4. Now already we know that A inverse formula 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A now. Adjoint of A now. Take its first determinant now. Determinant of A is equals to determinant is equals to 2 into minus 4 minus 1 into 3 1 into 3, right? So then determinant of A is equals to plus into minus minus 2 4 8 minus 8 minus 3. What is the answer here? Minus 11. Right? Then go for adjoint now. Okay, adjoint of A is equals to avagale bittini. Adjoint meaning in two rows to column interchange the diagonal value. 2 minus 4 interchange here minus 4 2 change the sign plus 3 becomes minus 3 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Right? Substitute in formula here, right? 1 divided by adjoint meaning minus 11. This one is multiplying with what? Okay, determinant is minus 11, take its determinant minus 11. Adjoint matrix this one now minus 4 minus 3 minus 1 2. Got it? Now simplify this one, keep 1 by 11 as it is now. Okay, disturb multiply the negative sign now. Minus into minus plus 4 minus into minus plus 3 minus into minus plus 1 minus into plus minus 2 now. Now it is which one here? It is which answer here? Which answer? A inverse. Right? A inverse. Solution same as it is, take it is B is equals to what? 1 minus 2 minus 1 3 now, right? Find out B inverse, right? We know that B inverse is nothing but what? 1 divided by B determinant of B into adjoint of what? B now. First take it is determinant of B now. Determinant of B 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 2. Then determinant of B is equals to 1 3 is 3 minus as it is here minus into minus plus 1 2 is 2 3 minus 2 1 which one plus 1. Right? Take its adjoint of B now. Formula ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ? Adjoint of B ಅಂತ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇಕಂತ ಓಕೆ. Take its adjoint of B now. Adjoint of B meaning interchange diagonal 3 1. Apply the sign here. Minus 2 becomes plus 2 plus minus 1 becomes plus 1. Take in formula minus B to the power, that is B inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of B another 1 into what is the adjoint here? 3 2 1 1 1 by 1 into this one. Answer is what here? Same, that is 3 2 1 1 only 3 2 1 by 1, right? Then last one is again it is a matrix A is equals to 2 8 1 4 now, right? We know that A inverse formula 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoint of A now. Take this determinant of A is equals to now 2 into 4 minus 1 into 8. Got it? Next 2 4s are 8 minus 1 8s are 8. Then determinant is what? 0. Determinant is 0, right? Substitute determinant value 0 in the formula 1 by 0. 1 by 0 meaning not defined. Not defined into adjoint again that is not defined only, meaning when the A inverse exists and when A inverse does not exist now, right? If the inverse of the matrix is exist when the given matrix is a non-singular matrix. Non-singular matrix inverse ಯಾವ ಬರ್ತದ? Non-singular ಇದ್ದಾಗ inverse ಬರ್ತದ. Suppose the given matrix is a singular matrix, then A inverse does not exist. सीधा ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಈಗ. So therefore A inverse does not exist because the given matrix is a singular matrix, right? MCQ ನ ಕೇಳೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಕೇಳೇನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು? right? ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ 5, right? 3 next 5 3 finish ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ 2 7, right? 7 2 ना ಏನಾಗ್ತದ 2 7 14 minus 2 7 14 ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅದನ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕ determinant answer 0 or maybe the given matrix is a singular matrix. Okay, when the inverse of the matrix is possible in only non-singular matrix cases the inverse are possible, right? Okay, right. Okay, now the introduction 4.3 is completed. Thank you.